This will just be a short video, and I promise I will keep it short. I just finished filming the freight train across the street before it came to the stop. And as I was walking back to my hotel, I noticed these two structures, and I didn't know what they were. There's this one, and then there's its twin across the street. And my first impression was that maybe they were a covered canopy for a bus stop. But then I looked down and I realized there's a set of staircases, and I assume the other one has the same thing. And that would go down underground and below this road. So I don't really have a good fix yet on where the current passenger station is, but I'm thinking that this had something to do with getting people to the passenger trains. Sorry about the buzzer. That was my notification that it's time to go back to the hotel and get ready to go to the amusement park. So let me just pan back and give you a look at this old building. I mean, the gates are locked. You can't go down there anymore. But I thought that was a neat find. And I just wanted to check that out and share it. So thank you for watching.